Hi, this is Robin Gary from the Dougherty Art Center. Today we are going to make a sheep planter using pinch pot techniques. Our supply list is fairly basic. You'll need some clay, a wire tool to cut it off, a sponge, water, ballpoint pen, some modeling tools, and a scoring tool. I cut off several bits of clay and make balls to make the saucer, the body of the sheep, the head of the sheep, and some extra bits. In the right hand image, you'll see that I start right away making a bathtub shape with the pinch process. Now you see that the bowl part of the planter is pretty much done using pinch techniques, and I'm adding a little extra to raise the head up, which you'll see momentarily. The head starts off as a pear shape, and then I start pinching it hollow from the back. Once it's well hollowed out, I attach it to the body using slipping and scoring. Then it's time to add the ears. I use the scoring tool and a small modeling tool. Here's what the ears look like finished. Let's set the sheep aside right now and work on the saucer. You can see I start with a ball of clay and flatten it out into a pancake. I flatten out the saucer several times until I get the shape and length and width that I'm looking for. Now it's time to add the wool texture to the planter. I do the facial features last. You'll see I just use a scoring tool. Any extra bits that come off onto my scoring tool, I actually put right back onto the piece. This is what it looks like, largely completed before I get the facial features put on. I add a few extra bits of clay for the brows and the eyeballs. You can see that the eyes are flattened discs. Now it's time to add the mouth and the nose. I don't use much water when I'm sculpting except for when I am doing attachments. Here I used a little extra water after I finished the features to smooth everything out. And then on the right, you'll see I used the ballpoint pen to finally give him some eyes. This is what he looks like, largely complete. I still need to set him aside for a little bit to harden so I can add holes. I was able to set him out in the sun, so he dried fairly quickly. I brought him back to my board, and I used this particular clay tool to make some small holes in the bottom. And here we are, a small flock of sheep. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can find more from the Dougherty Art Center on this page.